Hey friends, I know it's been a while, but here I am, and welcome back to the channel for another furniture makeover. Today I'll be giving these nightstands a quick transformation. Step 1, remove the hardware. It's important to vacuum and clean your furniture before you start. I'm using a TSP substitute, so there is no rinse required. Next, I'm going to scuff sand the entire set with a 120 grit sandpaper. Be sure to wipe away all of the sanding dust. Last but not least, I'm going to tape off all of the areas that I don't want to ruin when I move on to the primer and paint. Today I'm priming with my Zen Bin shellac base primer, and I'm going to do one coat for adhesion purposes only. If I'm using a light colored paint, I'm using primer for adhesion and bleed through. But on today, it's specifically for adhesion, and yes, I do recommend that you prime every piece before you paint. Today I'm using Evil Eclipse. This is a Dunn Edwards brand in a satin finish and in the color black. I'll be applying 2 coats all over. So finally, I'm going to add the scripture in my thank you package. I'm going to stage, photograph, and post the set, and I will hopefully see you soon in my next video. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.